Hello everyone, I am Dipjyoti. Today I am going to show you how to create a hidden bind TCP cell and getting a cell connection using it. So first of all, what is hidden bind TCP shell? Hidden bind shell is a shell which binds in a port on a victim system and allows the connection from the specified IP. When we try to check with the other IP, it will show that the port is closed, but on the specified IP it will show it's open. We can get a cell connection through this cell. So let's do it practically. It is my Kali and its IP address is 192.168.47.128. Now I am creating a shell in desktop. We are using MSF Venom to create the payload. I am using Windows shell hidden bind TCP. I am giving L port as 5555 and allowed host, that is a host, is 192.168.47.128. that means my this Kali. Format exe. I am saving it at hidden.exe. It will take some time and okay, it's created. Now I am sharing my file with my victim using Python server. I am now moving to my victim system, that is Windows 7. I am downloading that file. This is my file hidden.exe. So I am downloading it. It's downloaded. I'm moving to that folder. This is my hidden bind shell. Now I am executing it. After executing, now I am checking the port using Nmap. Let's check the victim's IP. This is 192.168.47.129. I am scanning through Nmap and it will show 5555 TCP open free CIV, and I am accessing it from 128. From 128 it will show open, but when I move to another system and trying to scan the victim 192.168.47.129, it will not show that 555 is open. When I am scanning that port, it will say that it is closed, but in this case it is open. That's the difference. I specified this Kali IP on that shell, so it only allows the source to connect to that particular port. Other system cannot connect to that port, as in other system the port state is closed. Now I am opening a netcat. I am trying to connect victim with netcat on specific port, and see, I got the cell connection. I got the command prompt window. This is my Windows, the victim. And I can shut down that I have full control of that system.